Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to log in WeChat on your laptop or PC. So let's get started our video. Before starting our video, I want to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, let's get started. First of all, open your WeChat and then you get a QR code here. You need to scan this QR code from your mobile WeChat. Open your WeChat from your mobile, then scan this link. Okay, after scan this link, then log in from mobile, and now it's logging on your laptop. Wait here, look at this, and now you can log in on your laptop. So guys, in this way you can log in your WeChat on your laptop or PC very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.